Hello, I'm Cara and welcome to this super short yoga class for helping you with anxiety. So we'll start at the back of your mat and you're going to come to kneeling. So you want to be down on your knees with your hips back over your heels, and then we're going to come to child's pose. So you reach the arms forward and rest your forehead all the way down to the ground. Feel the back of the neck relax, top of the head nice and heavy. And just taking a few breaths here. And you're going to really focus on breathing in and out through your nose as much as possible. Just nice, long, relaxing, slow breaths. And then on your next inhale, lifting up to all fours, walking your hands over to the left-hand side of the mat. And then as you exhale, hang the hips back. So you'll get a nice long stretch on the right-hand side of your body. And you can always adjust where your hands are to make this stretch feel good for your body. So it doesn't have to be too prescriptive. You can move it around and make it feel right in your own body. Good, nice deep breaths as you hold. And then slow to lift back up. Walk the hands over to the right hand side. Again, maybe just off the mat, and you can adjust where the hands are to make it work for you. And as you hang back, you feel the stretch on the left hand side of the body. Really feeling that left hip nice and heavy. Hips hanging back over the heels. And then slow to lift back up. Walk the hands back to center. And we're just going to allow the head to circle around. Nice smooth circles, and moving the head however feels good for you. So don't force it into places if it doesn't feel comfortable. You've got full control here. You're just noticing how and what feels good for your neck. Good. Next time you come through center, we're going to take a few cat-cows. So as you inhale, your belly drops towards the ground, the shoulders roll back, you lift your chest and your chin. And then as you exhale, you push the ground away, press the space between the shoulder blades up to the sky, and lengthen the tailbone towards the heels. Inhale, belly down, shoulders back. Exhale, curl around. Inhale, belly down. And exhale, curl and tuck. Good. Coming back through center, tuck the toes. Come to downward facing dog. Push through the hands, send the hips up and back. And then walk on the spot, lift one heel and then the other. Then we're going to come to sitting. So you either cross your legs over or swing them around, whatever feels good for you, to make your way back to a sitting position.